Hello everyone, welcome back to ARCR Technologies Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss about importance of TR069 and detailed version of TR069. TR069 is a protocol that enables the remote management of customer premises equipment by internet service providers. This includes devices like routers, modems, set-top boxes, and other networking equipment located in a subscriber's home or a business. The protocol allows ISPs to remotely configure, monitor, and manage CPE devices. It provides a standardized way for service providers to perform tasks such as firmware updates, troubleshooting, diagnostics, and provisioning without requiring physical access to the customer's premises. Overall, TR069 plays a crucial role in streamlining the management and maintenance of network equipment, improving customer services, and reducing operational costs for ISP. Let's look into the TR069 in CloudRADIUS. Open your CloudRADIUS portal. From the dashboard, go to TR069 option and click on it. You can see options such as dashboard, device list, new devices, tasks, files, map view. Click on the dashboard. This is the TR069 dashboard where you can see the total number of users, online users, offline users, and new users. Here you can see the device registered count. By manufacturer, this feature shows you the graph of how many different manufactured ONT devices and connected. By clicking on the side menu, you can find some options such as view in full screen, download PNG image, download SVG vector image, download CSV. If you click on the view in full screen, you can get an enlarged image, and also you can download this by using these options. Next, online or offline users. Here you can see the online and offline users graphically. By clicking on the side menu, you can find some options such as view in full screen, download PNG image, download SVG vector image, download CSV. If you click on the view in full screen, you can get an enlarged image, and also you can download this by using these options. Next, device list. Here you can see the search options such as MAC, username, serial number, manufacturer, IP. You can search using any of these. You can see all the ONT devices list. Next, new devices. After integrating TR069, then the device will be fetched automatically into the CloudRADIUS portal, and it will be shown in the new devices. Now let's see how to configure TR069. Open your web browser and enter the IP of the device. Then log into the device by entering username and password. After logging in, go to Management and Diagnosis, TR069 Management. Here you can see basic configuration. In the ACS URL section, enter the URL which is displayed on the screen. In the place of your website, replace it with your company website. In the place of username, enter your company username. Enter strong password in the place of password. and periodic inform interval should be 300. Then click on Apply. Next, click on Internet, then click on WAN, then click on Create New Item. Enter the connection name. Select service list as Internet-TR069. Enter the username here, then enter the password. Then click on Apply so that configuration is successful. After this, the device will be automatically fetched into the OneRADIUS portal into the new device list. From here, you can click on Assign and assign to the customer by selecting the customer from the drop-down list. Here, if you select Update PPPoE username and password, then the username and password of Radius will go and replace the device pass which you have set while integration. Here, you can see the options such as serial number list. Next, View. By clicking on View, you can see all the details of the device such as username, serial number, uptime, number of devices connected, RX power. You can refresh the RX power by clicking on the refresh button here. MAC, manufacturer, last information. Here you can see the online and offline status of customers. You can refresh by clicking on the refresh button. To fetch new data from the device, then click on Fetch New Data here. It will take up to 60 seconds. Reboot, which is to reboot the device. Unassign, to remove the customer. Here on the left corner, you can see all the options such as Basic Information, which shows all the device details, statistics, CPU and memory details. Next, Wi-Fi. In this you can see the details such as SSID, status, RF band channel, encryption, standard, update. Here, by clicking on Change, you can update the SSID as shown on the screen. Next, speed test. You can check the upload and download speed test of a customer from here. Click on Upload Test to check the upload speed. It will take 60 seconds to fetch the data. Next, click on Download Test to check the download speed and it will take 60 seconds to fetch the data. Note: upload or download will take 60 seconds to appear. So please be patient once you click the test button. Next, devices. Here the number of connected devices will be displayed. You can also see the device name, status, MAC, Ethernet, connection type, remaining lease time, address source and IP address. Next, WLAN host 2.4 GHz. All the connected devices with WLAN host 2.4 GHz will be seen here. Next, WLAN host 5 GHz. All the connected devices with WLAN host 5 GHz will be seen here. Next, WLAN signal map. It shows the connected consumer devices signal strength in a graphical manner. neighbor devices, all the nearby channels will be displayed in this section. If you refresh it, the customer will not get internet for 30 seconds to fetch the data. Here, you should handle this carefully and it will take 30 seconds to refresh and get the data. Next, ping. You can check the connectivity by entering the IP and selecting the ping counts, and if you click on submit, then data will be fetched and you can see all the data here. Trace route. Here you will get the trace route for IP address. Enter the IP and click on submit. Then it will take 60 seconds of time to fetch the data. And you can see the details such as host IP, host name, time, error code here. Next, voice. If you integrate any voice devices, then their details will be displayed here. Next, SIP same as voice. Tasks of all the activities which are being made or before performing will be shown here. Next, files and firmware update. Serial number of ONT devices. By clicking on the serial number, all the details will appear. Status. You can see the offline, online status of the device. Assign. Here for new devices, it will show as assigned, and for remaining, it will show as assigned. By clicking on assign, you can assign to customers here. Next, customer name. By clicking on customer name, customer details will be opened. Here we have given some of the filters such as MAC and IP of the customers. Customer username, manufacturer, which shows the device brand, and also you can see the software version, RX power, product class, hardware version and software version of the device, number of devices connected, interval and device uptime, last informed, last boot, registered date of the device and delete. Next, you can see task option here. Here, all the activities which we are performing here in TR069 all will be stored here as tasks. You can see the device and activity performed in that device, and the time of the activity will be displayed. You can also delete the activity from here, and you can also view files and map views from here. TR069 in the admin app. Launch the OneRADIUS admin app and login. You will land on the admin dashboard. Use the search feature to find the customer you want to assign TR069. Click on their username to access their details. You will find the Assign TR069 option. Assign TR069 by entering the serial number or MAC address of the customer's device. If needed, update the PPPoE username and password. Click Submit and TR069 is now assigned. You will see the TR069 option indicating a successful assignment. Scroll down to view TR069 information including RX power, status, manufacturer and connected devices. Click on TR069 to see comprehensive device details, statistics, Wi-Fi settings, and connected devices. The reboot option is at the bottom for device restarts. In the Wi-Fi section, you can update the SSID and password. Click Fetch New Data to refresh. Utilize the Refresh Power option to update. These are the primary features in the admin portal. TR069 in the user portal. Open the user portal and log in. The user portal dashboard appears. On the left, you will find Wi-Fi settings and connected devices. These options are only available when TR069 is assigned. When you can't see these options even after TR069 is assigned, then check in the user portal settings of the partner as shown in the screen. Wi-Fi settings. Let's user change their username and password. Update the SSID by clicking Change, entering the new SSID and clicking Submit. Password changes work similarly. In connected devices, users can view all the connected devices, including names, MAC addresses, connection types, and IP addresses. TR069 in the user app. Open the user app and log in with your credentials. The user app dashboard displays your customer details. In the top left corner, click the gear icon. Wi-Fi settings and connected devices are visible, but only when TR069 is assigned. Wi-Fi settings allows user to update their username and password. Modify the SSID by clicking on it, entering the new SSID and clicking Submit. Password updates follow a similar process. In connected devices, users can see their connected devices details, including names, MAC addresses, connection types, and IP addresses. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using TR069 in the admin app user